everyone. Welcome to my channel and welcome back to my subscribers. As always, thank you for your support. So today we're going to make a small piece of ephemera, and we're going to use an index card and some book pages to make a little specimen pocket that you can put a journaling card in. You can journal on the back. Okay, let's get started. So what you'll need is an old book page, and you will need your standard size index card, which is about 3 by 5 inches. This is the side that it's got a nice amount of writing on it, so I'm going to have that side down. There's a lot of space on this side, so this isn't the side that I want to show. So what I'm going to do is, when I glue my index card down, I want to make sure that I'm gluing it here, and then this paper is so thin that I can actually see through it on the other side, and I could see that the end of my card is here, so I'm not going to have a lot of space. Okay, so I'm going to glue my card right here, and I'm going to use the text as a guide for the bottom and for the sides. Okay, so I'm going to use a glue stick to get that down, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have that glued down now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my scissor and I'm going to use the index card as a guide for my scissor, and I'm going to cut all the way around using the index card as my guide. Okay, so I'm going to cut all the way around, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now I have that completed, and what I want to do is I want to fold this in half. The next thing I want to do is I want to notch out, in the center. If this is in the center of this half that we folded, I want to notch out using my 1-inch hole punch. So I'm going to try to get into the center as best as I can. And that looks about right. And then I am going to ink around, distress around the entire index card, okay? And then I'll be right back. Okay, so I have this all distressed around, and I've already cut out a whale tail, so I'll be in need of that. And I've already cut out a little bug to put right here in the center. So I'm going to get this glued down. And as you can see, I've already distressed things to keep the video moving along. I'm going to try to get this in the center as best as I can. And that looks about good right there. I have my whale tail, and I'm getting some glue on it, and I'm going to try to get that in the center on the back. Let's see, how well did I do? It's about centered. Okay. Okay. And now I will glue down this side here and the bottom. I'm going to put some labels on. I have a few labels here. And I'll get these on. And I have another one here. And I have a little journaling card. We'll insert that. And we are done. So a simple, quick project for your junk journals. Take care, everyone. Okay, everyone. If you like this video, please share, please hit the like button, and please subscribe. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.